Hey friends, I am Catherine and today I'm going to be putting together a set of meditation beads. They're also called mala beads because sometimes we all just need a little bit of extra chill. So I've got some wooden beads here and I've got some different colored glass beads, and I need to put together a string of 108. Now that happens to work out so that it can be divided up into groups of 5 with a spacer bead between each group, and then one bead to close everything off on the end. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you will enjoy.